Ay, bago.
Talaga? Ay, nangyari. Sa nanay na patanong ako ay naiyak ka tuloy. Ano po nangyari?
Nag-vaccine po ng October 1, tapos namatay po ng October 4.
Ay,
Sabi niya, kay vaccine kayo. Kung ayaw niyo, sabi niya, makulong ka. Galing lang dito, sabi niya, yung COP namin. Tatlo, sabi niya, yung hindi nagpa-vaccine. Tapos dinala, sabi niya, sa kulungan. 11 yun, sir, yung hinarang ko kami. Marami yung hinarang, sir. Yung vaccine card minister ko, hinold nung pulis, meron sabi niya sa batas, kung first dose lang sabi niya, understood sabi niya na wala kang vaccinated, hindi ka vaccinated sabi niya. Hindi man ako sabi ko pwede mag-vaccine sabi ko kasi may sakit ako sabi ko sa heart, congenital heart disease.
hindi ka nila binakuna, hindi ka nila binakuna.
Ay, gina-insist rin nila. Pati si Mr. ko, gina-insist rin na magpapakuna na daw ako. Tapos, hindi kami makaalis-alis kasi kinuha yung vaccination card niya. Hinold ng mga pulis.
Tuloy tayo mga kabikada, medyo na ano tayo rito, na-alarma tayo dito sa ano, sa isang information.
And we were happy to share this copy with the committee. Sorry, there's an echo yet. This video seeks to encapsulate the extent of the human rights violations that were committed during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is a direct result of the violation of Republic Act 11525, which said that vaccination was never intended to be mandatory. However, the IATF in November 2021 issued IATF Resolution 148B, which expressly violates the mandate of Congress. It also misrepresents the vaccines by saying that they are safe and effective when RA 11525 expressly recognizes that they have not undergone phase 3 and phase 4 clinical trials and therefore they are experimental. Also, Mr. Chairman, we wish to point out that the COVID Indemnity Fund provided for under Section 8 of RA 11525 is not widespread, it's not known by many people. We have thousands of reports from all over the country, Mr. Chair, and we can forward copies to your committee. 1,894 people reported to us that they were forced to get the vaccines and they otherwise would not have gotten the vaccines. 2,410 people said that they were discriminated against for being either partially vaccinated or unvaccinated. We have 495 reports from all over the country reporting human rights violations. These copies were provided to the Commission on Human Rights. However, the Commission on Human Rights never acted. To the best of our knowledge, they never acted on these complaints, Your Honor. And we wish to make it of record that the constitutionality of IATF Resolution 148B was challenged before the Supreme Court. Unfortunately,